Hi, this is Sean with ATI, and I have to walk a lot during my everyday activities. I like something, or I was looking for something that was going to be comfortable, and at the same time, it was going to be stylish. And this is where this Skechers walking shoes come into place. And what I like the most about these shoes is the fit. If you actually find the right fit for your foot, this runs a little bit large, it's going to be a great fit for you. The sole, the memory foam sole, it feels like if you're walking under two pillows. And the comfort of just knowing that you're going to be well covered with these shoes and at the same time you're going to look stylish. At first, I thought that was maybe it's going to be a little bit chunky, but this actually looked really nice on my fit. So if you're just trying to look for a great option for you to walk, work, or do anything, and you just gotta be comfortable all around the day, this is great. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.